Beans, anak. Coffee beans? This is coffee beans.
Can I touch it?
Sure. This is pepper.
So nice in here.
Arabica galing ko ng Mountain Province.
Hey, it's coffee beans.
Yeah.
You know that bitter dark liquid?
Opo.
That's what it is.
You take a picture of this, oh. This is our
Jaden, come, love. Love, come.
I already videoed everything.
native rice from the
What variety, Tito?
native variety from Mountain Province.
Wow, yeah, this is rice, anak.
What
Rice
you eat.
fields.
Rice before you eat.
This is the Kaskara. 40.
money?
40. Search in the Google, Kaskara tea. Kape yan. May balat pa siya. Yan ang
The
natural.
darker one better.
Yeah, this is the.
This is starting.
This one is honey process. Honey
Yeah, it's in the process, right?
And then that's the natural process. Natural process.
May honey.
And we have our seed beds for the coffee. Pag nagdidilig ako, pag mainit nagdidilig ako, 4:30. Pagka ulan, 6. Ano ito? Ano? Ay, hindi naman masyadong naman. What is this?
It's nuts, ma.
That's coffee bean, anak.
Oh.
Don't throw, my love, don't. Put it properly. It is precious.
The pulper from the coffee bean. The red cherry.
Be careful, love, be careful. Don't drop. Every bean is precious.
That's the winnowing one. Where it takes off the
Winnowing is not there's a dehuling machine
shell. Oh, it's over
there
there.
in the place, so and we have this is our depulper.
The pulp.
What you
So
doing?
the winnowing is the kahit, but I use the bilao for winnowing. Simple
You want to drink
native.
coffee?
Yes, Tito.
Before I drink coffee.
This is our black pepper, native.
Oh, you want to drink some black pepper?
So pagka natuyo yung red,
Peppercorn.
this is
So you have white, red, and black.
this is natural process. This is robusta,
Mm-hmm.
liberica, then arabica from the Mountain Province.